Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Here's my scissors. It's such a beautiful. Yes, it is here. It's such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Okay. So this is a loser unboxing. I bought it myself. And each time I got friends not happy with the word loser unboxing. I am not a loser. It's just I always use it this way, and it becomes something that only I have the special. Not only I have I have invented this word kind of. So I want to keep on use loser unboxing. I lose money. I spend money to buy it. So it's because the product is good. Oftentimes I have not yet seen it, so it's too early to say. It's because the product is good, so I spend money to buy it. Wow, look at it. So you know what I do with it? So this is a coffee stamper. I should have a ruler with me. 53. Yeah, this is exactly. So this one is for coffee. When you make coffee, you want to press the coffee and make it condensed. I do not know how to use it, but I am thinking if I make my cookie, it will be so good. It's still quite heavy actually. And so I searched online, and there are, I see this one is so beautiful, and I went to a coffee shop, not coffee shop, a coffee machinery shop. Stanford Shopping Center just opened a new shop with coffee machinery equipment. So I bought it, and so I tried it. There is one that completely one piece of metal, and it's so heavy, and you feel it's just way too heavy, and this is good. So when I make cookie, press, and I have measured the size, 53 is just perfect for a little bit smaller than the shape, so it's pretty good. Maybe I should go get the one, get the mold. I'll do it a little bit later. But this is such a beautiful piece of metal. Look at it. It reflects. Wow. Wow. So good. You feel this is a solid stuff. Because this is a loser unboxing, so maybe I should not, I do not need to show the name of the company, because I bought it by myself, for myself. There's no obligation to show it. This one, what do? I have no use for it. I will find some use some later time. So I am very, very happy with it. Wow. Wow. This is such a good feeling. Still, it's quite heavy, actually. Thank you very, very much. Or maybe we should do a close-up to see the metal. Look at it. Look at think it's better to have this. Not the wood is relatively lighter. It's better. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. 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 Bye bye. Oh, since I am in the middle of the loser unboxing, maybe I should open this one also. You know, Costco have sales for these glasses, so why not I buy it? You know, I am having, the other day I heard other people buy some designer glasses and they go to another country to buy designer glasses because designer glasses are less expensive in other country than here. But for me, that is a non-issue. I never use designer glass. I only use this kind of glasses. And I have tried different, sometimes the glass company give me an offer to make a video. So I have this kind of company offered me different brand, but for some reason all these prescription never really make my eyes happy. I do not know. Maybe I have a cheap eyes. And also those fashion designs and those things, I never really enjoyed the big brand. So this one is Blu-ray Protect, but it just does not make my eyes happy. And this kind, 3 of them for $18, and it's a sale, so it's very inexpensive. So this one, see, it's quite a fashionable design, but does not make my eye happy. I use it for taking some picture, and that's it. And really, I think I should. Gobi. Oh, Gobi later. Gobi later. 你应该乖，你把门关上吧，宝贝儿，谢谢。Anyway, I will not nagging too much about it. So this one also, it's really very good, pretty design, but it is hard to find something just make you so comfortable. And these are the glasses that makes my eyes happy with joy, kind of. Oh, maybe my eyes are starting to deteriorate. And anyway, this is it. I am very happy with this. They are on sale, and so I buy. See, this is the same. I kept buying the same thing because it makes my eyes happy. And when it is getting old, sometimes a scratch, just get rid of it. It's not that expensive, so I can keep by buying cheap, I can keep having it. I do not know whether you agree with this kind of philosophy. This is my method, and I always have something new. That's my way of doing it. Anyway, thank you I'm very happy with these glasses, and looking at it makes me happy. I will put it here and get rid of the old glasses, maybe donate it. I think the YMCA, they used to accept donation of this, so you can drop off. I will check it again if I donate it. These are 300, and if somebody else need it, anyway, I am happy to share. Out of respect, not disrespect. Anyway, this makes me happy. The new one, I need to put them into protection glasses, a little bit out of style, but that is good for me. Like that. So I put into my. I am so happy. Back to school. Go back to school, go back to work. I think I deserve to treat myself with some good glasses. Easy to use and make my eyes happy. I think I am doing the right thing. This one goes to this. Maybe I can still wear this. I will give it another chance. It's kind of rude to just say it's not good and not use it, right? That is it. Bye bye for now. This is the black one. This is the colorful one. I had a system for it.